Data asterisk attributes genuinely let you attach real custom data directly to an HTML element, readable later by actual JavaScript. In this video, you'll use real data attributes. These real data asterisk attributes genuinely attach custom data directly to this element. Any real name after data is valid. Real JavaScript's dataset property genuinely converts DataUserId into the actual camel case dataset.userId automatically. This real pattern genuinely lets one shared click handler know exactly which item and action a button actually refers to. Data asterisk attributes genuinely attach custom data to any real element. Real JavaScript reads them via the element.dataset property. DataUserId genuinely becomes dataset.userId, converted to real camel case. Add a real data asterisk attribute to a button and read it with element.dataset in devtools. Ready to explore real area roles for accessibility?